Yeah, what's up guys, welcome back to this channel. All right, so today in this video I'm going to be exposing something that have changed my trading. When I mean something that changed my trading, it reduces the rate of trades that I lose. Okay, because I now make a better entry and now know some market structure to avoid, or the kind of market I will avoid, and that particular market to avoid, okay, is what I want to share with you today. When you avoid some of the this noise in the market, you are likely going to be seeing more, blues, more profit. You are going to be avoiding fake breakout, fake out, and every other stuff, every fake manipulation happening in the market. You are going to avoid those things, and I'm going to be using like what is currently happening as an example, for you to know the kind of market structure to avoid. So if you look closely, I'm using daily time frame. Why I'm using daily time frame is that it's very easy to picture and avoid this kind of market structure. Okay, let's say you can see currently what is happening. I want it to be as simple as possible, right? So first of all, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Okay, don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I release a new video just like this one. Like this video already, start leaving a good comment in the video. Please guys, when you watch videos that you love what the content or any stuff about the video, please leave a good comment. Leave a comment in the comment section. It actually helps YouTube to push out those videos to other people, to also enjoy, or people who actually want this kind of content too. Okay, so having said that, um this is what I'm saying. Okay, if the price is pushing to the downside this way, okay, you are likely going to be seeing a smooth sell or smooth buy or anything like that. Okay, let's say the price is trending down. The same way, if the price is pushing up too, you are still going to be seeing a smooth sell and a smooth buy. Okay, whether you are scalping, whether you are catching spikes, or you are trading against spike, anyone, you are likely, like, there are a kind of, you have increased your probability of coming out with profit when the price is smooth. Okay, so I've shown you what I mean by smooth. Okay, so why I'm using daily time frame is that I want to make it as easy as possible. Now if you look at this price action right here, okay, this particular price action is something you will like to, sorry, you can see it's a robot. My robot have just placed a trade, so you can see it happens automatically. And also I think I will still share with you the results, that is yesterday trade of this robot. Okay, because I've shown 2 days ago and all that in the previous. So if you have not watched the previous video on the wonders one of my robots is performing, you can check the previous video I posted before this one. Okay, so if you look at that market structure right there, it's smooth, the direction is nice. Okay, the movement is nice, sorry. Then if you look at this one, the movement is nice. So but the kind of market structure you need to avoid, or the kind of market you need to avoid, is this. Once you open your charts and you go to daily time frame, and you are seeing a lot of noise, I mean, you are seeing just little like small candles. Okay, small candles with wicks. You are seeing small candles with wicks. I'm just, this is not the way candlestick should look like, or price chart should look, but I'm just trying to show something. You see candlestick with a long wick. You are seeing them, and they are kind of, there's no movement. Like if you look at what is happening for about 5 days now, or so, or more than 5 days, you are seeing that the price is just within kind of a particular zone. Okay, there's no movement, a lot of wicks to the upside, to the downside. So now if you decide to go down to maybe 15 minutes time frame, and maybe you are seeing, let's say, let me look for something. Okay, let's say you want to pick this double bottom here. You can see the price spiked a bit. People might enter and say, okay, the price is now going to push to the upside. And what happened? The price just fake them out. And if you go to higher time frame, this thing you are seeing here now will be a week. So the price actually used a week to move people out of the market. So that's the week you are seeing on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so you probably you might be right with your direction, but the week will take you out before the price spikes, right? You are going to be seeing a lot of fake out manipulations, a lot of things, a lot of noise. The market is noisy, and you are likely not going to be making money in that kind of market. So once you open your chart and you are saying just go to daily time frame, it's very simple. What I'm sharing with you now is going to change your trading, guys. Okay, it's going to change the losses you are making. It's going to reduce it to the barest minimum. These are simple things you can actually do, not even looking at maybe whether the price is creating higher highs and higher lows and all those things. You can just look at how is the market, how is the candlestick formation for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, what is the price movement. Okay, once you see this kind of weeks price at the same point doing what you don't even know, I'm telling you that the possibility of you making money in this kind of market right here is very slow, as in very low, right? The same thing you have somewhere here. You can see what is happening there. So once you open your chart and you are seeing this kind of stuff, okay, please just look for another thing to trade for the day. Okay, look for another thing to trade for the day. This is something that have changed my trading. So this is just something very simple that you can actually it will not take you like 1 minute to do. It will not take you 1 minute to do. Once you open your chart, you look at the charts on daily time frame. You can do it on 4 hours time frame, but for me I prefer to use daily. Sometimes depending on the market I use 4 hours. Okay, but daily is for me is the best for you to see what is the price doing, what is the distance the price have moved for like 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Then from what you are seeing, you will be able to take decision. So for me, if I'm trading, if you can see that this is a robot placing a trade, the robot is conditioned to place a trade in any market condition, right? The robots have, there is a kind of a strategy the robot is using to place the trade. So this is not among what the robots have to consider. But if you look, if I'm the one trading this thing, okay, I am not going to be placing a trade today on boom 1000, both selling or buying. I'm not doing any of them, right? So this is something very simple you can do. Then you can now scale down to a lower time frame. If you look what happened right here, okay, if you go to lower time frame, let me just know if I can pick something and mark out this zone. Okay, you can see this price movement here. If I go to lower time frame, let's say I want to buy or sell or do anything at all, so I'm trying to say, okay, you can see here, this is the zone. You can see my line here. Okay, let me know if I can increase this. Let's see if I can do that here. I think, okay, so you can see my line right here now. Okay, so when maybe if I'm looking for selling opportunity or buying opportunity, anything, you see that you have that tendency of coming out in profit. Let's say from anywhere around here you want to buy using any pattern, or you are using candlestick, I don't know, I'm just trying to do something randomly here. Okay, so let's say we drop a trend line from here to the downside. Okay, let's say we drop a trend line this way. If you look, even if I extend this trend line, you can see that the price will respect this trend line most of the time. Okay, and if the price gives you maybe an opportunity to enter using maybe double top, double bottom, a head and shoulders channel, you are coming out with a good profit. Let's say if you make entry, let's see here, you can see this is head and shoulders pattern, which is an entry point, entry signal to the downside. You can see the price smoothly drop to the downside. If you still use maybe the market structure, or you use channel, you can see after the break of channel the price drops. If you use, I'm just giving you random stuff here, okay, if you use double top right here, the market drops. Do you know why? Because the price already have movement. There is a movement in the price. The price is not consolidating. Okay, so guys, these are simple stuff that you can actually do, and you'll be getting results. You'll be getting results. Okay, so sorry about this. So I'm just trying to share these few things with you guys. Okay, so I think that's basically that for this video. Before I share with you the history of uh, my robot for yesterday, you know, maybe I'll be doing this, updating you guys on this robot stuff in my videos. Before then, I want to also let you know that you can actually join my Telegram group of free signals. I do chat breakdown every Monday on the group, on the Telegram group. You can join. I also drop free signals also in the Telegram group, so it's completely free. Just click the link in the description of this video and join. Also, if you don't have a an account, that is you don't have Boom and Crash. Some people do complain they don't know how to get Boom and Crash. Once you have your MetaTrader 5, you have to open an account with the Rev, which is the broker I'm using. Check the description of this video, the link will be there. Just click on the link and sign up with them. Once you sign up, you come here, log in, you are going to start seeing synthetic indices, by that is Boom and Crash stuff and every other volatilities, jump, step index and all that. Okay, so that's basically that. Don't forget to like this video, guys. So guys, this is the history of yesterday trade. Okay, you can see everything clearly. So let me just go to customize so that you guys can also see. So customize, yesterday is 18th. I shared from 17th. I shared from 17th down to 2nd in my previous video. So if you have not watched the video, you can actually go and check it out. So yesterday is 18th. I'll click on 18th. Okay, so that's for 18th. The robot actually performed well yesterday, making about $43. Okay, so today the robot just made $1, placed 4 trades, but twice, you know, I conditioned the robot to pick 2 trades at a time. Sorry about that. Okay, so you can see made about $1 already for the day. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, leave a good comment on this video. Okay, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys.